Looking for budget-friendly ways to revamp your home decor? Imagine transforming your space into a stylish and personalized haven without breaking the bank. Today, we're exploring some DIY projects that will help you do just that. First up, consider creating your own gallery wall. It's easier than you might think. Start by collecting inexpensive frames from thrift stores or online markets. Next, fill these frames with prints that catch your eye. Arrange them on your wall in a pattern that pleases you. The result is a personalized wall of art that tells your unique story. Next, why not give your throw pillows a makeover? There are two ways to do this. You can sew new covers, which is a great opportunity to introduce new patterns or colors into your space. Alternatively, use fabric paint to add some flair to the existing covers. A personalized pillow can be the perfect accent piece for any room. Old furniture that's lost its luster can be repurposed with a bit of creativity. A fresh coat of paint or new hardware can completely transform a piece, giving it a new lease on life. Ever heard of washi tape? This decorative tape is a fantastic tool for adding a pop of color and pattern to your walls, furniture, even electrical cords. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, it's removable. Transform ordinary mason jars into stylish candle holders or storage containers. A little paint and imagination are all it takes. These make great centerpieces and can add a warm glow to any room. For a unique touch, consider making a macrame wall hanging. With just a few basic knots and inexpensive materials, you can create a stunning piece that's sure to be a conversation starter. Old crates can be upcycled into shelves or coffee tables. This not only adds a rustic touch to any room, but also provides a functional addition to your space. Removable wallpaper or decals offer an easy way to update a room. They're perfect for those who love change, as they can be easily replaced whenever you fancy a new look. Lastly, transform basic plant pots with spray paint or decoupage. This is a fun way to add a personalized touch to your indoor garden. To summarize, revamping your home decor doesn't have to be expensive. With a little creativity and effort, you can create a space that reflects your style and personality. From creating your own gallery wall and updating your throw pillows, to repurposing old furniture and getting creative with washi tape, mason jars, macrame, old crates, removable wallpapers, and plant pots, the possibilities are endless. So why not give these budget-friendly DIY projects a try? In addition to the ideas we've explored, another fantastic DIY project you can undertake is making your own candles. It's a simpler process than you might imagine, and it offers the opportunity to customize your candle's scent and color to suit your personal preferences. All you need to start are wax and wicks, which you can easily purchase from a craft store or online. The process involves melting the wax, adding your favorite essential oils for that personal touch, and then pouring the melted mixture into a container to cool off. Homemade candles not only infuse your home with an amazing aroma, but also make perfect personalized gifts. So why not give candle making a try? For those of you who've always wanted to try your hand at painting, this next DIY project is just for you. Creating your own wall art is not only an expression of your creativity, but is also a budget-friendly way to add personality to your space. Start by picking up a canvas and some acrylic paints from your local craft store. Paint whatever your heart desires, be it abstract strokes, a scenic landscape, or a modern geometric pattern. Once your masterpiece is complete and dried, frame it and find the perfect spot on your wall to hang it. If you're feeling bold, why not create a series of art pieces to form your very own gallery wall? There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of looking at a piece of art and knowing you're the one who created it. So pick up that paintbrush and let your creativity flow. Our next DIY project is something that can truly make your space feel like home. DIY photo frames. These are not just frames, but they are personalized pieces of art that hold your treasured memories. You can create these frames using materials like wood or cardboard. Use your creativity to decorate the frames, paint them in your favorite colors, add some glitter for a touch of sparkle, or use other embellishments that reflect your style. The best part? Filling these frames with your favorite photos. You can choose snapshots of cherished moments, pictures of loved ones, or even your favorite quotes or artwork. DIY photo frames not only add a personal touch to your decor, but also create a visual narrative of your life and experiences. So go ahead and let your walls tell your story. To summarize, revamping your home decor doesn't have to be expensive. With a little creativity and effort, you can transform your space into a reflection of your personality. We've discussed various DIY projects like creating a gallery wall, updating throw pillows, making candles, creating wall art, and making photo frames. All of these are budget-friendly ideas that you can easily execute. You can also get creative with washi tape, transform mason jars, make a macrame wall hanging, upcycle old crates, use removable wallpapers or decals, and personalize plant pots to give your home a unique touch. So why not roll up your sleeves and give these budget-friendly DIY projects a try? Remember, your home is a canvas and you're the artist. Happy decorating!